Well, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a small tool haul. These legs for sawhorses. They're 50 cents a piece, so I bought them. That way I can set up out back here and get some more projects done that I'm working on. Look at that 5-gallon can. I got that for free. We'll swing around here. And here is a Sears Transit. It's pretty nice shape for its age. Noisy cars this morning. But $5.95 for that thing. And then a nice little scroll saw. It was free. That's going in the hold on. One of them fart can mufflers. But that's going into the electrolysis tank. Take that apart and get that all cleaned up and restored. But here is the deal of the day. There's a 12-inch Delta drill press benchtop. And I swear that thing, it just does not look like it was used very much at all. But you can see the paint even wore off the pulleys in there yet. But I'll tell you, I couldn't go wrong buying that. I give 30 bucks for it. It was $29.95 plus 6% tax, so a little over $30 for that. And it is in great shape. All right, that's our quick little video. Hey, remember, don't let anybody steal your joy. Go out there and have a nice day. I got to come up with a tripod for that, but that's no big deal. I'll come across one. Hey, we'll see you in the next one.